Hi everyone, and welcome back to Visme's monthly feature recap. It's a new year and we're kicking things off with more accessibility features and making the brand kit available directly in the editor. So without further ado, let's recap last month's updates. If you create content following brand guidelines, you probably already use Visme's brand kit. And if not, head over to the dashboard and set one up. It's about to become even more useful now that we've added a brand kit menu directly in the editor, replacing and incorporating the old theme colors menu. In the new brand kit section, you'll find all your brand assets, including logos, font styles for headings and paragraphs, and your brand theme colors. Drag and drop logos into your design easily, and when you add text boxes, they'll automatically turn into your brand fonts. Applying your brand theme colors is just as seamless as before. You can update all the colors in your template with a single click. This update gives you a central hub for accessing and applying your brand assets directly within the editor, and more brand kit updates are on the way, so stay tuned. In 2024, we ramped up our accessibility efforts, releasing features like closed captions to make designs more inclusive for people with auditory impairments. We also launched the ability to add alternative text to any design object, and more recently, introduced an alternative text menu to manage all alternative text in your project from one place. Our latest release is the Accessibility Checker, which helps to ensure your designs are accessible to audiences with visual and auditory impairments. In January, we added two new features to the checker: reading order and contrast checker. The contrast checker ensures that the color contrast between elements in your design is sufficient for people with mild visual impairments to view them clearly. The reading order feature lets you see the sequence in which screen readers will process your design and adjust the order of your elements as needed. You can remove decorative elements or those that don't really contribute meaningful text content to the design from the reading order without altering the design. We hope you're making the most of these new accessibility features, and so if you have suggestions for improvements to help you create more accessible designs, let us know in the comments. And as we kick off the new year, let's talk about how you can get your Visme workplace organized and ready for all the projects ahead. In 2024, we rolled out several small but impactful updates to help you tidy up and manage your files and projects more efficiently. First up, if you're struggling to find assets in your My Files folder or keep re-uploading the same files, it's time to put filters, labels, and folders to good use. For instance, you can filter for unused files and delete them to reduce clutter. Labels and folders are great tools for organizing your My Files menu. It's now easier to organize My Files from the dashboard. Select multiple files and assign labels or add them to folders in bulk in just one click. To help you find necessary projects faster, we've also created folders, labels, sorting, and bulk actions. You can sort projects by the oldest edited project, then select multiple projects or folders and bulk delete them to clean up your workspace quickly. So set yourself up for a productive 2025 and declutter your files and projects in Visme. And that's a wrap on our January feature recap. We hope these updates helped kick off your year on the right note. Got any features or ideas or requests for us? Let us know in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on everything new in Visme. Until next time, I'm Ivan, helping you design better for your business. I'll see you soon.